Alright guys, thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris.McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. I'm going to be showing you the Northwood Arctic Fox 28.5C. Come on inside. You can see here, very large handle, nice sturdy 4 steps coming in. This floor plan here is nice and open. A kind of uncommon setup for your table here with the L-shaped dinette, large table, 2 recliners here with storage in the middle, all facing your entertainment system. You have storage all the way around the top. Large fridge here. And also a very large, nice and deep freezer. Fireplace down on the bottom. More storage over here. A very large dual sink setup. Big enough for all your pots and pans. And then the garbage can here. And then also on this side, one of my favorite features, a very large pantry. And then more drawers here, and another large setup here. And come on up, we'll take a look at the restroom. As you can see here, nice size walk-in shower, full bathroom setup here, and a vanity. And then also a very nice magnifying mirror. And then as you come back here, you can see a lot of space around the bed with storage on both sides. And a very large closet. And then again, a very large amount of storage underneath. Out here you can see magnetic holds for your slabs here. Very large amount of basement storage. And then around the front, again a very large amount of storage. And we'll come around this side. This again, storage from the opposite side, and this will have your leveling system and all of your water controls, winterized valve, water heater bypass, and an outdoor shower. And then back here you have your rooftop access, very sturdy roof. And then from the outside here you can see the windows. All of these are dual pane windows. These models are specifically designed to be able to take on pretty extreme elements. And another storage cubby back here. Thank you again very much for clicking the link. Again, this is a Northwood Arctic Fox 28.5C. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a time to come take a look at it, you can call or text me directly. My cell phone number is 541-731-8583. Thank you.